So we're going to select the link. I'm going to center click on it here. And that gets you to this site where they are allowing us to do uh, a free website. And you do not have to give them a credit card. So they do have pricing plans. So if you really, really like it, obviously they're hoping that you'll stick around. But I'm going to go ahead and click on Buy Now. And to get the 60 days free, you have to post to Facebook. But when I posted to Facebook, it didn't really work. So I still only got 30 days free, just so you know. So you will have to, I would go ahead and pick, the 60-day free, but don't be surprised if it's only 30 days. The key here is that you do not have to give them your credit card, which I think is kind of important. And we're not going to worry about a domain name. If you do decide to stay with this host, just know that you can get your own domain, which is actually kind of nice. So I already signed up for an account. I am going to try to sign up for another one. So we'll use my infamous Scooby-Doo here. And make sure that you kind of have a pen and pencil handy so that you can store this information. And let's see, I'm going to use my student email. If I can remember what that is, let me pop over here. All right. So I don't want you guys emailing me at this student account. It's supposed to be a fake account. Okay, but obviously your emails are going to look similar to that. And I'm going to key it in again. And let's see. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and sign up. And if you think you're going to forget this information, you may even want to use Snippet and take a screenshot or jot it down. And then now they have emailed my student account. So let me pull this over here. Here it is. And I'm going to go ahead and activate. And now I have to sign in. Okay, so I am getting 60 days. Isn't that Marvy? Okay, so I'm going to save that. And actually, they want me to share on Facebook. which I did try with my own account the other day, and I did share it, but I didn't get 60 days. So I'm just going to live with the 30 days. And I'm going to go ahead and click on try now. All right, so this is my hosting information. At this point, I do not have a website yet. So we're going to go ahead and set up our first site. And this is where we are going to be loading our to-do list files to. And we're just going to start by calling it my test site. Now you can create multiple sites and give them whatever names you want. And I'm going to check off this box that I understand that if this is a bot or a phishing site, they're going to remove it. That's absolutely fine. And I'm going to go ahead and click on next. So this is a page that you are going to want to save the information from because it is giving you some FTP and username information. The password that you use for FTPing is the exact same as you use for logging in. So what you may want to do is use the snipping tool or screenshot and just kind of grab this information unless you have a super good memory. And I'm going to call this the Scooby test account info. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and submit this. Okay, and please note that it could take 1 to 3 minutes. They don't want you to close the window, so you have to be patient. Okay, so you can see now we're finalizing the site, or they are. And there's a little countdown. So as I said, you just kind of have to be patient, let them do their thing. And so at this point, it's showing me my one site, and I have access to the control panel. And the control panel is kind of important because that is where you need to go to see all of your settings. And we will talk more about that in the next video.